The EMM platform by iCube Systems, called Clomo, has had the largest market share in Japan for 5 years in a row, supporting over 500,000 devices. Clomo runs on iPhones and Android devices using all open-source software with Amazon Web Services. We delayed development for Windows compatibility because we had no access to the source code or insight into its direction. The specifications were unknown, so we couldn't go further. But Microsoft changed and embraced the concept of open source software. It now distributes a great deal of open source information. Azure evolved in a direction that our customers desired and our developers required. The Microsoft acquisition of Xamarin in February 2016 happened more quickly than we anticipated. We thought that Microsoft Azure IoT Suite and Azure Machine Learning were headed in an amazing direction. We welcomed these changes and chose Microsoft as our partner. We concluded that for future development with OSS, Azure definitely has high value. We can build our business in partnership with this new Microsoft. We proceeded with the migration, which went smoothly. With easy access to documents and real examples, we could do everything we wanted with the Azure SDK for Ruby. Because class names are clearly separated with Azure, the code is easy to understand. With the SDK for Ruby, we could see the content because it was open source software, so it was very easy for us to work with. We were also satisfied with Azure support. At no cost, we received fast responsive support so we could continue working smoothly. When it comes to support, I believe that Azure is the best resource. The cost benefits were remarkable. Our expenses for cloud vendors went down by 25%. Azure's charge per minute system led to the much lower cost. The cost benefits really stood out. If we had used AWS, it would have cost us much more. In the partner program, we received not only technical support, but also concrete advice and suggestions for our business. They identified what we needed for our business and committed to give us advice. Moreover, only Azure can work with AD and Office 365. Xamarin SDK was developed in open source. We're considering a life cycle to provide consistent service from development to operation, including servers. We are now benefiting from Microsoft's commitment to support open source developers. We expect that Microsoft will continue to enhance Azure. Therefore, we believe that we can make investments now and start to take action.